Today we are taking a look at the DJI Osmo Pocket 3, one of the most popular pocket-sized cameras for travel, vlogging and everyday content creation. Recently there has been a lot of discussion surrounding the upcoming Insta360 Luna Pro, and naturally many people are wondering whether it's worth waiting for or if the Pocket 3 is still the smarter buy. Now, before we get started, it's important to mention that the Luna Pro has not been released yet, so this is not a hands-on comparison. Everything we will discuss regarding the Luna Pro is based on its announced specifications and positioning rather than real-world testing. With that said, let's see how these two cameras compare. Looking at the published specifications, both cameras are actually very similar where it matters most. Both feature a 1-inch CMOS sensor, an f2.0 aperture and digital zoom. Those are some of the biggest factors influencing everyday image quality. Of course, real-world image quality can't be fully judged until both cameras can be tested side by side. But on paper, their imaging foundations are very close matched. Where the Luna Pro begins to separate itself is with several premium features. According to its published specifications, it offers 4K recording at up to 240 frames per second, a detachable rotating OLED display, a modular design, longer battery life, and several additional professional imaging features. Those are certainly attractive upgrades, especially for creators with specialized production needs. The question is whether most people will actually benefit from those features on a daily basis. Take slow motion for example. The Pocket 3 records up to 4K at 120 frames per second, which is already excellent for travel videos, cinematic B-roll, product shots, and social media content. While 240 frames per second offers even more flexibility, it's primarily valuable for creators producing highly specialized slow-motion footage. For many users, 120 frames per second is already more than sufficient. Battery life is another area where the Luna Pro has a specification advantage. If you are filming continuously for extended periods, that extra endurance could definitely be useful. However, for typical travel days, vlogging sessions, or everyday content creation, the Pocket 3 already provides battery life that comfortably covers most shooting scenarios. One advantage the Pocket 3 has today is that it's already a mature and proven platform. Its stabilization, autofocus, user interface, tracking features, and overall shooting experience have been refined through extensive real-world use by creators around the world. There is a lot of value in choosing a product with a well-established ecosystem and proven reliability. Testing the microphone of DJI Osmo Pocket 3. If you require cutting-edge specifications like 4K at 240 frames per second or a modular camera system, the Luna Pro certainly looks promising based on what's been announced. But if your priorities are excellent image quality, outstanding stabilization, portability, simple operation, and dependable everyday performance, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 continues to offer an extremely compelling package. When the core camera hardware is already so closely matched on paper, the buying decision becomes less about chasing every specification and more about overall value. For many travel creators, vloggers, and everyday users, that's exactly where the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 continues to stand out. So if you are looking for top-of-the-line specifications, you can wait for the Luna Pro. However, if you want a mature, stable, cost-effective, and ready-to-use creative tool, the DJI Osmo Pocket 3 remains the best choice. I will leave the purchase link in the description below, so feel free to purchase if you are interested about this. This is all for today's video. Hope it was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.